First of all, I would like to keep this slide with me. The slide can be 31. This slide. So again, I would like to say congratulations to your team. A very good presentation. So far from yesterday until now, I have this team presentation. So wow. You can see, you can play, okay? A good performance here. Very confident with your team to share your slide. So good one. I also love this slide. I love this slide. I will add some comment later on. Okay, later on. But in your project, okay, here you still miss something. It's about the ROI. You know ROI? You haven't learned it yet. ROI means return on investment. Return on investment. You should draw a picture about 3 months, 3 years. Year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, year 5, further. Okay? So when you invest in this project, when you have ROI, return on investment, Vietnamese thời gian hoàn vốn. Yes or no? Yes. You try to have this one. And also, before you have this one, you have a good calculation. Maybe in year 2 and year 3, you will learn for me the subject international investment. About NPV. You know NPV? NPV? You know? NPV means net present value. Net present value. Okay? When you invest amount of money or capital into your project, you should calculate NPV calculation. Okay, you will learn later on in your year 3 or year 4. Okay, your subject here, and you also indicated a very clear ERP here. What ERP would you like to learn? What kind of ERP would you like to learn about the supply chain management? Okay? About all the modules that you are going to work after your school. Okay? In international company, they only pay attention on ERP. ERP here you have 2 types of ERP is SAP. And another is Oracle. SAP is from Germany. The software, the ERP software from Germany. And the Oracle is from America, USA. Okay? 2 systems, ERP, named SAP and Oracle, are very important for you. Okay? When you finish a UTE, okay, you have to learn to get a certificate of ERP here, SAP and Oracle. And you have more opportunity to apply for MNC, okay, for your job. Okay, it's an advantage. Plus. When you win the interview with the employer. Okay, you understand? And the other you have to learn is English communication. You have to learn because international business, okay, so-called subject here. You are now following. At school, you have to learn English as well. The language that the government already what issue a regulation that English is the second language at school. Yes or no? Yes. You already known about the policy of the government here. So you try your best to follow the 4 years here. Okay? Time is money. I talk to you. 4 years here is very good year for you. Okay? To learn. You don't waste your time. Sitting at school, don't waste your time. 4 years is very good time. Opportunity for you to learn from many other lecturer, from your student, from your other sources. Okay, in the internet, you have to learn a lot. You study yourself. We call self-study. So try your best to follow this. My advice to you. Okay, clap your hand.